These are the 2-pack acrylic display risers. They're going to be the 3-tier clear cupcake stand risers. Now we wanted to use these for a lingerie shower, so we went ahead and placed little donuts with little ring cutouts in them. It was a huge hit. Everyone really loved it. As you can tell, they held up very nicely. Easy to clean, easy to assemble. We just simply wiped them down and they're perfect when they are ready for the next event. These were very easy to put together. You just simply added the screws and you attached the base plates to the little standing risers. Now, besides for the donuts, we also were able to use these for the bagels and donuts. As you can tell here, this was absolutely gorgeous. It was perfect for the shower and it came out fabulous. Everyone loved it.